Hey guys, this is Deepu. Welcome to another episode of Tech Club in short. Today we are going to talk about defragmenting. Defragmenting a traditional hard drive is considered standard maintenance due to the way the spinning platter and read and write heads move when searching for data. This is because the process essentially recognizes all the information, allowing it to be stored in an unbroken sequence of blocks on the drive, and this means the heads are able to read the data faster. If you want to know more about defragmenting a hard drive, you can click right here. Linus from Linus Tech Tips has explained all about hard drive defragmentation in this video. With a solid state drive, however, it is recommended that you should not defragment the drive, as it can cause unnecessary wear and tear, which will reduce its lifespan. Nevertheless, because of the efficient way which SSD technology functions, defragmenting to improve the performance is not required. SSDs are able to read blocks of data that are spread over the whole drive just as fast as they can read these blocks that are adjacent to one another. Furthermore, they keep track of the order of the files are written using a technique called wear leveling. This purposely writes data to the drive in such way that its cells wear out evenly, which means the drive does not degrade prematurely. The technology that solid state drive utilize means they are perfectly capable of looking after themselves. So guys, that was all for today. Don't forget to like if you like this video and consider subscribing and ring the bell icon. See you guys in the next one.